Is it the right time to make a decision about Google stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of February 2, 2024, our system has identified Google as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.88. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this specific period. The stock has shown a growth of 0.91%. This means that, on average, it has provided a return of 0.46% per day since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating a potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 11.61% change in value, with potential returns ranging from 9.03% to 20.27%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 46.88% change in value, with potential returns between 38.41% and 57.94%. This could result in a price range of $198.86 to $226.93 after a year. Our latest update on Google's stock price reveals that it ended at $143.68 on Monday after experiencing a 0.91% increase. On the last trading day, which was Monday, February 5, 2024, the Google stock price rose from $142.38 to $143.68, marking a 3-day streak of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $142.82 and a high of $145.47, representing a 1.86% fluctuation. Although the price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days, it is still down by -1.58% overall during this period. The trading volume dropped by 24 million shares on the last day, with a total of 38 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.51 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume as the prices rise may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $153.78, while the lowest was $88.58. Currently, the price is 6.57% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $10.10. Furthermore, it is 94.13% below the all-time high, which occurred on June 14, 2021, when the price reached $2,448.92. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, William Blair gave Google a grade of outperform with a recommended action of hold. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Citigroup gave Google a grade of buy with a recommended action of hold. On Monday, January 29, 2024, KeyBank gave Google a grade of overweight with a recommended action of hold. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Barclays gave Google a grade of overweight with a recommended action of hold. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, Wedbush gave Google a grade of outperform with a recommended action of hold. Analysts have unanimously rated Google stock as a strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent, both receiving a strong buy rating. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given Google stock a confident strong buy rating. Let's analyze the signals for Google stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Google stock. However, the long-term average shows a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance at around $146.35, based on the short-term moving average. On the downside, the long-term average may provide support at approximately $141.91. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the stock experienced a decrease in volume during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -6.40% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average, however, gave a sell signal 5 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 55 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 34 days ago. Similarly, when we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 49 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google currently finds support from accumulated volume at $142.38. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is tested. In terms of daily movements, this stock exhibits average volatility and has a good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. Yesterday, the stock moved $2.65 between its highest and lowest points, which amounts to a 1.86% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.5%. Today, we'll be discussing the good trading levels for Google. But before we get into that, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First off, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is common for businesses with a long track record or steady revenues. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $1.49. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Google. In the case of an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level for Google at $145.99. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $142.38. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Pichai Sundar was involved in the 5 most recent insider trades, buying and selling a total of 22,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 3 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -97.343. Overall, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 22,500 shares in the last 3 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $135.95, which represents a decrease of 5.38%. This stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Google stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Multiple short-term signals and a positive overall trend indicate that Google stock has the potential to perform well. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, adding to the attractiveness of this investment. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 6th, we anticipate Google to open up $0.310 and start trading at $143.99. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We appreciate your input. Please take a moment to share your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We value your opinion, so leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and hoping you have a beautiful day.